What's up, people? This cooking with the Jacobs. I forgot to start this video earlier. Uh, I'm making okra, and I'm in the attempt to de-slime it. I ended up getting frozen okra from the HEB that we got out here, and right now I'm cooking it in the oven on the 400 degrees. It's gonna probably be about a 4 or 5 hour process. It had already been in there for at least an hour, hour and a half now, and this is what it's kind of looking like. So you see how it's all still, you got all that slime in there. We're finna try and get rid of all that. So this is the a healthy way of doing it is to bake it in the oven. So let's continue to bake it, and I'll come back probably another about 30 or 40 minutes and let y'all check it out. Peace. All right, what's up, folks? This is cooking with the Jacobs over here, de-sliming this okra and doing it in the oven. And this is it's looking pretty good. It's not as slimy as it first was. This is like 3 hours in. I'm gonna let it roll a little, about probably a little longer, maybe another hour or two. But it's coming along. It's looking pretty good. All I did was add water. I put like three 1/3, well, 4 1/3 cups of water. I didn't put enough in it at first, but it's looking pretty good. And I put like a tablespoon of vinegar in it. Cooking with the Jacobs. I'll be back. So, folks, yeah, we about another hour in. See how it's looking. Ain't hardly no slime in it. I'll probably let it go just a little bit more longer because I got 2 pans cooking, and this one here looks how I need it to look. It ain't just slimy. I mean, you can't get it out 100%, but this is pretty. This is better than what it was. I mean, it was all glossy and all that other extra stuff. This is de-sliming okra in the oven. The only bad part about all this is that it takes a long time. This is about a 4 or 5 hour process. I've been on it since probably since about 9 something like this. But I'll be back. All right, what's up, folks? We are back. This is Cooking with Jacobs, and this is about done. It ain't that slimy. Looking good. I'm about right at 5 hours in. I decided to go on and put that extra hour on there. But pretty much, I just did put it in there and put it on 400 and let that bad boy go on and cook, and came over here and stirred it up. But it ain't, look at it. I mean, it ain't nowhere near all slimy and all that other stuff. I'm gonna let it go ahead and roll for the last 15 minutes to get the 5 hours in. I started this process probably around 9 p.m. I think, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. It's like right at 2 o'clock in the morning over here my time. But this is de-sliming the okra in the oven. The only bad thing is it's just a long drawn out process. If you got time on your hand, then and you want to do it the healthy with no cooking oil in it, this was all I added in there was water. This would be a good process. Good process. Cooking with the Jacobs. I'll be back. All right, folks. This is it. I'm done. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's a big difference from what I started with. So I'm finna let this cool off. And when I get up in the morning, I'm going to start cooking the okra. show y'all what it do. But this is what it is right here, straight from my mama. So, I don't know where she picked it up from, because she didn't always do it like this. But whatever I don't use, I'm gonna save and freeze until the next time we decide to put it down on some okra. But this is what it is, people. This is oven cooked, oven baked okra. I did 2 pans, de-sliming process. If you got plenty of time, this is for I did it for 5 hours. If you got the time, this is what it do. And you pretty much just come in and you stir it occasionally. I was stirring it every 30 minutes. And it does it on its own. I put 4 1/3 cups of water in there, and I ended up just putting a tablespoon of vinegar in each one, because I think you can use a little vinegar. My mama said I could use a little bit, so I just put something in there. But this is de-sliming okra, and on the next video I'll show you how we put it together. We call it an okra gumbo, or we just call it an okra. But I'll show y'all what it do in the morning. Cooking with the Jacobs. I'm out. Peace.